Hi everyone. Today we will learn about community helpers. They help us every day and make our community a better place. Teacher.
I am a teacher. I help children learn and grow. I teach reading, writing, and numbers.
Doctor.
I am a doctor. I help sick people feel better. I give medicine and advice.
Nurse.
I am a nurse. I care for patients with love. I help the doctor every day.
Police officer.
I am a police officer. I keep people safe. I help follow the rules.
Firefighter.
I am a firefighter. I put out fires. I rescue people and animals.
Farmer.
I am a farmer. I grow fruits and vegetables. I give food to everyone.
Baker.
I am a baker. I bake bread and cakes. I make tasty food.
Postman.
I am a postman. I deliver letters and parcels. I bring happy news.
Bus driver.
I am a bus driver. I take people to school and work. I drive safely.
Sanitation worker.
I am a sanitation worker. I keep our streets clean. I collect garbage every day.
Carpenter.
I am a carpenter. I make tables and chairs. I work with wood.
Plumber.
I am a plumber. I fix pipes and tap. I stop water leaks.
Electrician.
I am an electrician. I fix lights and fans. I give us electricity.
Librarian.
I am a librarian. I take care of books. I help people read quietly.
Dentist.
I am a dentist. I take care of teeth. I help you smile bright.
Veterinarian.
I am a veterinarian. I treat animals. I keep pets healthy.
Shopkeeper.
I am a shopkeeper. I sell useful things. I help customers.
Tailor.
I am a tailor. I stitch clothes. I make dresses fit well.
Gardener.
I am a gardener. I grow plants and flowers. I keep parks green.
Soldier.
I am a soldier. I protect our country. I keep us safe.
Barber.
I am a barber. I cut hair. I make people look neat.
Crossing guard.
I am a crossing guard. I help children cross the road safely. I stop traffic. We are community helpers. We help people every day. We love our community.
Let us respect and thank all community helpers. Thank you.